Good morning, students. Now, in this lecture, we will further study the modern predictable group wise. So, last lecture में हमने पढ़ा था कि in the modern predictable, which is the arrangement of elements according to the atomic number, that has 18 groups and 7 periods. Group means the vertical column from top to bottom. And period means horizontal rows from left to right. Now you can see first period has only 2 elements, hydrogen and helium. It is the shortest period. Second and third period has 8 element. Fourth period has 18. Fifth also has 18. Let's start from rubidium, strontium. Okay. Last 2 periods, 6th and 7th, that is 32. These are the longest period. And there is a gap between the lanthanum and hafnium, 57 to 72. So बीच के 14 एलिमेंट कहाँ चले गए? They belongs to F block. नीचे जो हमने ड्रॉ किया था. In the 7th period also actinium 89 to 104, रेफिडियम RF. तो इसके बीच के जो 14 एलिमेंट है वो चले गए एक्टेनॉइड सीरीज में. तो ऊपर से नीचे जाएंगे तो फर्स्ट ग्रुप इज 1A अकॉर्डिंग टू मैंडलीफ प्रेडिक्टेबल एंड दिस इज द फर्स्ट ग्रुप ऑफ प्रेडिक्टेबल. एलिमेंट प्रेजेंट इन फर्स्ट ग्रुप आर हाइड्रोजन, लिथियम, सोडियम, पोटेशियम, रुबिडियम, सीजियम, फ्रांसियम, Fr. This is Fr actually, F plus Fe, this is Fr. So, the element present in these two groups, in group number 1 and group number 2, these are called metals. They are typical metals, except hydrogen. Hydrogen is considered as a non-metal. हाइड्रोजन को छोड़ के बाकी सब जो है वो metals हैं. ग्रुप नंबर 16, 17 में जो एलिमेंट्स नजर आ रहे हैं, फ्लोरीन, क्लोरीन, ब्रोमीन, आयोडीन, and oxygen, sulfur, nitrogen, phosphorus, carbon, these are the non-metals. Group number 18 you know these are the noble gases. Okay, so this group number 1, element present in group number 1, these are called alkali metals. These are called alkali metals. Group number 2, these are called alkaline earth metals. Okay, so now first we will discuss detail about these two groups, group number 1 and group number 2. Okay, we will discuss its periodicity. Why the element of present in group number 1, they have the same property, that is called a periodicity. That repetition of element after a certain regular interval. Like you can see here is a gap of 2 and here is a gap of 8, here is a gap of 8, here is a gap of 18, here is a gap of 18, here is a gap of 32. So when the elements are arranged according to atomic number after this regular interval, the element automatically come into one group, and this group has the same properties. So these numbers 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32, these numbers are called magic numbers. These numbers are called magic numbers. Why? Because something is magic that when we repeat the element and we get this gap between the element. Like see here again, there is a gap of 8, gap of 8, gap of 18, gap of 18, gap of 32. So when we arrange the element in this way, and after this regular particular interval, the element come into the same group. So this is just like a magic. That when we arrange the element and do this gap, we get the group of element having the same property. That's why these are called the magic numbers. Okay. Now if we write the configuration of this alkali metal like lithium, sodium, potassium, rubidium, cesium, that generally we study. Francium is a radioactive substance. Okay. So alkali metal में हम 5 एलिमेंट की जो है वो स्टडी करते हैं. These elements have the same properties. आप just write the configuration. When you write the configuration, lithium, you can write it He, helium 2, 1s2, 2s1. Okay. So lithium is present in second period. Sodium. Now we have a neon here and 3s1. Potassium 19, nearest noble gas is argon 4s1. Rubidium has 37, nearest noble gas is krypton 36, 5s1. Cesium, nearest noble gas is xenon 54 होता है 6s1. So you can see the outer configuration of these elements is same. As there is only one electron in the outermost shell. This we can represent like this, Ns1. Ns1 is the general electronic configuration of group number 1. What is N? N is your period number. See potassium, it is 4s1. N की वैल्यू कितनी आ गई 4. इसका मतलब है पोटाशियम किस पीरियड में प्रेजेंट है 4th. यहाँ देखिए आप, यहाँ अगर मैं पीरियड फिर से लिख दूं तो ये हमारा फर्स्ट पीरियड था ऐसे ना, ये सेकंड था, थर्ड, फोर्थ, फिफ्थ, सिक्स्थ एंड सेवंथ पीरियड थे टोटल. देयर आर 7 पीरियड्स. तो देखिए पोटाशियम किस में प्रेजेंट है 4 में. What is the configuration of cesium? Say it is 6s1. What is the value of N? N is 6. So this is present in 6th period. So the value of N give information about the period in which the element is present. So after this repetition of element, after this regular interval like 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32, we get the element which have a same outermost electronic configuration. This is the cause of periodicity. Why these elements have the same property? Because they have same outer electronic configuration. Okay, what is periodicity? Periodicity is the repetition of the element having same property after a certain regular interval. Like 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32, and these are called magic number. So that repetition of element having the same property, that is called periodicity. And if we say what is the cause of periodicity, why these elements they have the same properties? Because of they have same outermost electronic configuration. This is the cause of periodicity. Why the elements when we repeat after repeating some certain regular interval have the same property? Because they have the same outermost electronic configuration. So see, if all these elements have one electron in the valence shell, it means they will have the same properties. If they form ion, they will form univalent ion. Lithium will form Li, sodium will form Na, potassium will form K positive, Rb positive, cesium positive. So they will form univalent ion. Univalent means having one unit charge. So same. If they form the ionic bond, they will form the ionic bond with the same nature like we say lithium. They form a bond with chlorine. Say lithium chloride, NaCl, potassium chloride, rubidium chloride, cesium chloride. They will form the same. So they show same behavior. They form same type of compounds. They have the same. They form the univalent ion. All form the univalent ion. Why? Because they have the same outermost electronic configuration. This is the cause of periodicity. Okay. So अभी आपने ये समझ लिया कि what is periodicity and what is its cause. These two questions. Periodicity is, मैं again फिर repeat कर रहा हूँ. Periodicity is the repetition of the element having same properties after a certain regular interval, that is 2, 8, 8, 18, 18, 32. Okay, and these numbers are called magic number. And what is the cause? Why these elements have the same properties when we repeated them in a regular interval? Because they have the same outermost electronic configuration. So we can see, we can say that these elements of group 1, they have a valency 1. They have a valency equal to 1. They form monovalent or univalent ion. They are called alkali metals because when we put them into water, they give alkali. Alkali means base. Like when you put sodium into water, it will give you sodium hydroxide. When you put lithium into water, it will give you lithium hydroxide. Potassium give potassium hydroxide. So they give base alkali. These are called alkali. Alkali means base होता है. ने पढ़ा होगा 10th में, जिसकी pH जो है 7 से ज़्यादा हो. So when these elements they put, because they are highly reactive. Even when you put the sodium into water, it catches fire immediately. It's very reactive. So when these elements they put into water, they give hydroxides, they give alkalis. These alkalis, these hydroxides are base because they have OH group. And इसीलिए इनको हम बोलते हैं alkali metals. And alkali और base में एक difference होता है. अगर मैं यहाँ पे लिख दूं कॉपर हाइड्रोक्साइड तो वो बेस होगा. एल्कली और बेस चीज एक ही है. एल्कली भी वही होता है जिसकी पीएच 7 से ज्यादा हो, बेस भी वही होता है. लेकिन देयर इज अ टेक्निकल डिफरेंस बिटवीन दीज टू टर्म्स. एल्कली वर्ड इज यूज्ड ओनली फॉर दीज टू ग्रुप्स. वी कैन यूज एल्कली वर्ड आल्सो फॉर द सेकंड ग्रुप. दे आर अल्कलाइन अर्थ मेटल्स. दे आर आल्सो कॉल्ड रेयर मेटल्स. They are mostly found in the earth crust. That's why these are called earth metals. Okay, in the form of oxide, sulfide, etc., carbonate, etc. That's why the group number 2 elements are called alkaline earth metal. Alkaline means alkali behavior. Earth metal means they are found in the earth crust. So alkali word is used for these two groups. No doubt they are basic, but base is used for other, like if you have aluminium hydroxide, that is base but not alkali. It means all the alkalis are base but all the base are not alkali. Keep in mind, there is a technical difference between the word alkali and a base. When you say alkali, you are talking about NaOH or KOH. When you say base, that is also NaOH or KOH, but if we have a copper hydroxide or some other hydroxide like iron hydroxide, they are called base, not alkali. Okay. Now, next, if we discuss about the second group, that starts from beryllium, magnesium, calcium, strontium, and barium. So, study mostly these 5 elements. And if we see the configuration, now beryllium has atomic number 4, so it is helium 2s2. Neon 3s2, argon 4s2, krypton 5s2, xenon 6s2. So just compare it. Lithium was 2s1, beryllium is 2s2, 3s1, 3s2, 4s1, 4s2, 5s1. Again the value of n that represent the period number. Now, what is the general configuration of these? That is, you can write it Ns2 means 2 electrons in the s orbital. Now, valency of these is 2. They form bivalent ions, and alkali metal they form univalent. Sometimes it's also called monovalent ions. Now, but the beryllium will form Be2 positive. Magnesium will form Mg2 positive. They form a bivalent Mg2 positive. calcium 2 positive, strontium 2 positive, barium 2 positive. So they form hydroxide like BeOH twice, MgOH twice. So these are also called alkali. When they react with water, they give hydroxide base. So they are also called alkali. So these elements of group number 1 and group number 2, these are collectively called S block elements. We know that. And if you say that what is the general electronic configuration of S block element, what is the general electronic configuration? General electronic configuration of S block elements, तो क्या लिखेंगे NS122. This is the way to write the general electronic configuration. So all the elements present in group number 1 and 2, they will follow this configuration NS122. 1 to 2 means either 1 electron or 2 electron. If in S there is 1 electron, that belongs to group 1. If there are 2 electrons, that belongs to group 2. So these are called typical metals. All these 10 elements, they are typical metals. And these are also called electropositive. There is one more word for these two, that is electropositive elements. Electropositive means which can easily give electron and change into positively charged ion. So they have the maximum tendency to give electron in the periodic table. That's why these are called metals. So metals, non-metals, metalloid, these are the 3 types of element present in our periodic table. Well, you can say we can divide the periodic table into 3 parts on the basis of tendency to lose electron. If the element lose electron easily, called metal. If the element do not lose electron at all, non-metal. And if the element lose electron under certain condition, called metalloid. So metalloid is in between metal and non-metal. So these two groups, they are under the category of metals. Okay, because they have a tendency to lose electron easily. They are bigger in size. In the periodic table, they are bigger in size. Then when we discuss about the size, then you will see the lithium is present in group number 2 and lithium is biggest in period number 2. Sodium is biggest in the period number 3. As we will see that when we move from left to right in any period, size will decrease. So they are bigger in the product, biggest in the periodic table. Alkali metals are bigger than alkaline earth metal. So that's why they can lose electron easily, because when the atom is big, its electrons are far away from the nucleus and it's easy to remove the electron, outermost electron. Okay, so it means they can lose electron easily. So what are metal? What is the definition of metal now? Metals are the element which have a tendency to lose the electron easily. Clear? So electropositive, these are highly electropositive elements in the periodic table. Electropositive means which have a tendency to lose electron and change into positively charged ion. The first group form univalent or monovalent ion, second group form divalent or bivalent. You can also say divalent or bivalent ion. Okay, so this is about the group number 1 and group number 2. General electronic configuration of S block element is NS122.